Is what? Yeah, good morning. Good morning to everybody. Good morning. Um, Yesterday, it be like I do some video. As I do the video, it make like some people want to take the thing, do like they take play. You understand? Some people want to take the video like, yeah, they want, that why I post, anybody where they watch this thing, I post the video on my page. I won't make you watch it very well. And from what I hear, they say, the industry, say everybody, they get group page. Like, so they group inside. Where people walk at them. They talk, say, why? Me and say me, they come out my cocoa kumante for there. Make you no chop the minister. They make me a chop the minister. I want to tell the Ghana music industry something. You understand me? You put they play with some things too much. You understand? The government, them are work they do. We self, they sit up. And they try to do them our work. That's why we did here. I get what I'm saying. And if we need people to involve or may they get involved in government, we need people where they get mind to develop the country. To develop the country. As at now, Ghanaians are making Ghanaians feel like we, arts people, musicians, actors, everybody, we just not be anything. Like we not be export for Ghana. We not be like we not do anything. But man, make I tell you, where life catch right now, Where life catch right now. Foreigners where they come Ghana, they come Ghana because of cocoa. Foreigners plenty they enter Ghana, they enter Ghana because of timber. I swear everything. If you go there like we the ghetto youth, the people will they bring come this country inside just to have fun, happiness, life, live. Be smart thing. Because of us, people want to enter because Ghana is so nice, Ghana is beautiful. You can come to Ghana, you party, you see those things where they make people they come Ghana. We are parts. So if Ghana has cocoa, Ghana has bauxite, Ghana has manganese, Ghana has whatever. Ghana also has musicians that make people feel like, yes, this is a country. Now, jeez. Then people go put me for page inside. Then they talk nonsense. You ever hear say they do cashew nut concert where people travel come before? You ever hear say they do Kube show where people travel where they enter the country inside before? You ever hear say they do Charlie, sometimes don't see, make people no make a ball. And this thing at the talk, where people want to take them some way. People want to understand them some way. How much they talk, people they do like they know they listen. The musicians they're constant, they sleep. They feel say maybe I they fight for myself. But you see the thing they fight, Me I they fight for me, make I get me to my money. If Ghana musicians don't want to fight, if actors, they don't want to fight for this thing, I don't fucking give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about these things. You understand me? Because you people, they make musicians, they tire too much for this, and the musicians themselves, I don't know. I don't know. Say if they tell them, my parents say, it be job they do or it be play they play. I don't even understand. They play try your luck. When they talk, somebody go do somewhere and talk, say, shatter there. And I keep talking these things because those things when people they talk, they funny me. Because most of you don't know me, so the talking there go be plenty like that. The talking go be plenty like that. But me, I won't talk. I swear for this Ghana. If I hear publication, or if I see publication, I hear for radio, say they take Makoko Kumate deputy minister for creative arts. I swear everything. I go take political from and for political party. I swear everything. Makoko Kumate himself, me my first album, give me anything. Up to now, Makoko Kumate they owe me. He doesn't have any mechanism, any strategy or structure to come teach Ghana music industry. And if people know and understand, I say, may they come time. The decisions you want to take to make this life better for the next generation. Or make Shatta Khan leave and Shatta Khan, then Shatta, another artist know if you do some. Does it make sense to you? People always say they put something for the critics, the people, Actors, they put something for their mama inside. Musicians, everybody. So some of the musicians, they don't even think well. Because they don't know what they're about. They don't know themselves. Then somebody come and say, they don't pick, make with day Ghana. I go start my campaign this year. Like me, I go start campaign this year. I go start campaign this year. Marco Kumate go sit. Me, the Deputy Minister of Creative Arts. What Marco Kumate himself, you know, say he don't know anything. He know. Say he don't know anything. He know say he don't know anything. Make Marco Kumate show change. Where you bring Ghana music. Change. Where you bring Ghana music. Because we like high people. Hype people. We like high people. You know, be them they do mentor 1, mentor 2, mentor 3, mentor 4 and things. Eh? How many royalties has gotten to those people? That show they do. You know how much money they inside. Today, some of the artists, some of them, they do them are personal businesses. Those things said, if man they talk, somebody go talk say, oh, so no person and no giant. And yes, no person no giant. No pressure never no nippon to reach now. And just say nippon take a decision. And big up to every artist where go that mentor thing. Where right now you do challenge my minion business. Recently they watched that boy. Me now my friend. Andy Gidi, that boy. He doing shop for Kumasi way. He do business because he saw that music industry in Ghana is stupid and nonsense. If you say you want to kiss ass, there is no way you're going to make it. And because that boy wasn't an ass kisser, he decided quick to get a business running for himself. And that is how a man should live like. If you know say the music you do inside, no they help you. Because me, the system must never help. The music system must never help me. It is by grace, by fans. Where I get, where they understand me for street. You know, be fans where they sit and listen radio. Fans where they understand me for street. You man get here, bad man. Make nobody can play with me. Oh. Make nobody can just, they play with my car. You see me as I did music inside. Anything music, they forget. Anything, where be music, they forget. I'll go hard on this with them like this. I'll go hard. I won't miss West. I won't play. Our government, they for just dig out for we. You understand me? May they take wise decisions for you. Government, they beg you, you understand me? Anywhere, parliament, anywhere, me, anytime they push for the government, may the government understand they for listen we. Government, we the street oh. We understand what the street oh. Street hot. Boys they suffer, but still they vote. But man, you know easy. I said that people go, then you got that chance to say, Marco what? Man, I look for somebody who get in mind open in technology, in notice. Somebody with no computer. But then they give an iPhone. You know how to download app on the iPhone. What are you talking about? Ghana, I say, listen to what I'm saying. If Marco Kumate become deputy minister of creative arts, me Shatawali, I go take form. I go be independent candidate. I'll go for a political campaign. I'm telling you people, I saw everything. I swear. Because make like they want to spoil the country. I swear. And me and the youth to rise up. See, any artist where you did, whether Cape Coast, whether Takrari, Water Reaching, Kumasi, Badman, wake up. Stop the mess. Let's stop the mess. By first movement, BFM. We are going to fight them. We will fight them. They fight them. We will fight them. We will fight them. We are not saying we are going to fight government. I am saying we are going to fight the music industry for the government to see that we have war. Government for see that we get war for music industry. War. And they talk war. Because the thing right now is getting out of hand. It's becoming foolishness. It's becoming stupidity. Like the people with the know-how are not getting like that thing. What the fuck? It's gonna be war, I'm saying. In our music industry. Make people know. It be big things where right now go happen for the music industry. Because this thing is getting too much. It's getting too much. See, anybody will know hammer. Last two. If you don't know hammer, Munsa, Alampine, Mokola Kwakwe, the man will play all those beats. Make people go in page. Go check. Make people go that man in page. Go check. The things they right. He's been in this. He's experienced. And he knows what is going on. He knows what the fuck Shatawale is talking about. That's why he's supporting it. It's a mess. May government try that thing. They go see me. Me now go wear t-shirt. I go to walk for ground. I go to gather people. Make I tell them. See, right now, you see the youth who help change. If one of leaders don't want help with change, we'll change it by force. Koni mo dem things for chop party. No pay them more things for chop party. You know what musicians go for chop party. People don't care. If one talk, then someone do like, don't think say politics. It be plating, bad man. So you enter there, then you won't be deputy minister. Make government put you there. We know mind. But I see, I go make government to know say every man has the right to become a political aspirant or whatever. Everybody, where he gets in vision, go for make this thing happen. Because you want change. What serious change? Won't fucking change, bad man. Won't fucking change, bad man. Hey, Charlie, hey, by first movement, I swear this trip, no bangu. I swear every time they tell you. I swear. I tell you. So, the video I post on my page, before I come to do this video, they go put for group inside. Those people that they talk, they make they talk. It be group inside, they go fit talk for. When we start bring chains out, when we start bring chains. Yeah. When my government say we make serious. Right now we make serious. Because Corona time, we know they play show again. Man, they talk royalties from day one. See what Corona can put it for inside. People they wait. No, Charlie, bad man, make I tell you something. Anybody where you know for the media or anything or industry or anything, where you receive for TV, wait, bad man, yeah, I'm a black. Yeah, black. Why I go sit here and go to talk about black? Bad man, you know easy. You know easy. When man go cracking brain, they do. Me see the things me now they do for myself, it be by God's grace. It be by God's grace. It not be by music industry. Not by any structure thing, by God's grace. It be my I think, I save, I keep money because I know then which calculation be that? Then my money there somewhere. Then the money they don't care, and then all some people they care about it. You won't go chop post for government. Now come and tell you something today. Don't see me like I hate you. I know I hate you. I know they disrespect you or anything, but you don't know. You see the thing where you want to do, you don't know. For years we've been watching you. If you be nonsense talk, you have it. Nonsense talk. If you go take a nonsense minister, we like it. If you go take a nonsense deputy minister, we like it. If you go take a nonsense vice something, we like it. But don't try creative arts. The world has grown too much. How many times has Regizipi tried to educate you guys about we getting a structure in people they see Regizipi in London, so Regizipi, you know, what he's saying, you'll be surprised. I swear, you'll be surprised. Me, I don't want to surprise anybody. I want to surprise the music industry. We'll change it. There will be war in the music industry. Yeah, there will be war. If Makoko Kumate will become deputy minister, then there will be war. We'll recruit people. We'll start campaigning. Bad man. Maybe no can try that thing for an top, bad man. Me a come to me rough na me tiano. A come to me, be a say, oh, shut up there, what talk about? A come to me. A come to me. Nobody can do that thing and thing. Then, yeah, I know if nobody, if Ghana artists they know the hung, me are the hung. My boys for streets they hung. I get people where they watch. I get people where they pay school. I get people where they do a whole lot of things for them. Bad man, A common team. Make nobody come to do like that thing. Make make they try. Make they just try. Make they just try. Say with the deputy minister for creative arts. I saw everything. Like, you know, gonna be easy for Ghana music industry at all. At all. At all. How many times you say they pick up something for creative arts, president or something for the Michael Kumate, what you do? Be true to yourself. Don't come and behave to me like politicians. So don't come and behave to me like politics. Because you see me, sometimes I don't want to take my matter go politics. Because you see, sometimes the pressure with the politics side, we will not understand. You understand me? But it just not be say we don't understand if you. If you say sometimes when I lead they say they say with the youth where we come like with your money tree. But it's the same youths that have done Facebook, iTunes, Instagram, all those things for America. Where America they support. So why don't we our ideas didn't want to take away the more young boys. I'm gonna name their cause. Again, name their cause bad man. No be saying it, no be saying it. Sometimes we say, yeah, man just want, make we say bad man. Bad man, we if they like Mexico or something, it no go be easy. I beg, I swear. It no go be easy. Trust me, I did talk something. That's me. I know they play with me. See me. If you see the way today we wake up, and say, life is very precious. So I don't play with it. I don't play with it. I don't fucking play with life. Because life, they know they buy them for supermarkets. They know they buy them for. So any day when God give you life, don't think say because you go past La or you go past West Stillmore, then you buy two life. You see yourself like Super Mario, Super Mario. You wake up, you know one thing. As a musician, God bless you, give you one hit song. You play them. Then somebody they tell you say, no, if I wait small because Ghana the episode. Hey, Justin Bieber. Oh, Charlie. Justin Bieber or Justin Bieber or was Justin something. One song, changing life. Yeah? You put make the industry some way. Oh, Ghana there. We want to bring in structures. To monetize our songs here in Ghana. We are over 30-something million. That is money for all of us in Ghana. That if people are streaming our songs even in Ghana, we can even get a pass mark. Don't fool. You did that group page inside. Don't fool. Don't fool. If I say Makoko Kumate doesn't qualify, I am saying he doesn't qualify. Don't fool. No, nobody hate him. Like somebody don't know how to play ball. Say me they make it play ball. Are you okay? Are you sensible? Are you smart? Are you smart? Maybe if you say make you manage radio, if you radio programs manager or program director, fine. That one maybe some job for him. By this side for development, to help the government grow, to make Ghana, made in Ghana things go. Forget Makoko Kumate. One aside, we need somebody where eye open. Somebody where they use Dre's Beats. Somebody where they use iPhone 12. Somebody where you know app, how did they download app. Somebody where you know how to use phone to create something. Somebody where you know how to use this modern technology days to build something so somebody can benefit. The time I start Facebook, like a whole lot of people they talk on Saturday, so right now about Facebook. No, Kasa. Today, every radio station in Ghana, every TV station in Ghana, when they are live, they want to go live on Facebook. The time I start this thing, you people, nobody they do them. On Saturday, so right now upon Facebook, but today Facebook, every TV station, every media, you people won't say thank you. Boyfriend. Today man go there, somebody go see man like why shatter, why they talking about? It's because most of you know they even support. Most of you know they even support. Because Ghana, when somebody do something, I don't like the person, so you know fine. Jimmy. Don't let us, Charlie, bad man. Here they talk now. If government want advice for this Ghana music industry there or want a creative arts there, Then they for contact me. I swear. They for contact me. Me, I don't want to make any. See, if any artist don't want even buy this, I don't even give a fuck. I fucking roll with Medical. I fucking roll with Kuswada. I fucking roll with King Promise. And I think those are the fucking artists I roll with. And I vibe with them enough, and I've seen the mindset they have. So I don't give a fuck if none of you support. Ifya is my girl. She support. I talk to her a lot like this. So if you feel say, what are the talk? You know, be important for you, my guy. Fuck you. I don't even need you in my camp. I don't even need you in my turf. From you know that this thing, you know, will help you. Don't fucking come close to me. But if you feel I'm speaking sense, like no. What should I say? In 10 years' time, when I'm no more Mr. So, when I'm no more artist A, when I'm no more artist B, when like, you know, new artists have come, what is going to be my benefit? What do you want to snitch? So wait me on. Snitch. Charlie. Hey, Charlie. You won't go collect pension pay. Bad man. You don't know your job they do. You don't know who musician be here. Bad man. You put a play, oh. You play with one money, oh. And the reason why they talk this thing, they say, you put a fool say, I don't want your money, but I don't want your money, oh. Me, I want my money. So if you don't want your money, bad man, just support me, I go take my money, make you dead there. Shit ain't easy, my nigga. Shit ain't easy. Make you talk. If my Coco Kumate, they talk this thing. If my Coco Kumate, they don't know. Who they pick am deputy minister? I swear I go start do campaign. I go do political party myself. Independent candidate. Chatawali, I swear everything I tell you. Because me I tired for this Ghana. I swear. Say we did, and if you take some decisions where we don't know, and the thing they worry man. I swear I go start do political. Me too I go chair political party. Me too I go chair political party. If I go safe where I know win, I know say I try. If I go where I know win, I know say I try. Me too I go do political party. No, because that be the country we're in. No, that be the country we're in. I go do political party. Me too. No, it no go easy, bad man. You see, we shouldn't do certain mistakes in this country we are living in. When we are taking decisions, we shouldn't see the citizens as foolish people. We shouldn't see the citizens as with your own dream. We shouldn't see the citizens as omun ye crassy for. We shouldn't see the citizens as omun be. We should respect the citizens of this country. The only problem we have in Ghana that is making Ghana so peaceful, but it has also become our problem, is that the people here are scared to talk. The people are complaining, but they are scared to talk. And I feel that pain. I feel that pain. And sometimes I wish that my music has earned me enough more for me even to support government projects. Just to make the country look stabilized. Like, you know, for us to look like, yeah, we're good. But that system is not even working for me. It's not working for me, my nigga. It's not working. Then somebody go talk, say, what is Shatta talking? What am I talking about? What am I talking about? Are you okay? Is the system working for you? You musician, you did there. You musician, you did there. Is the system working for you? Or you think when they call you for show, that's the system? You're stupid. Do you even think like that? And I'm using hard words because it's about time. It's about time. One man say you play one music set where you make some money for inside, you buy a house, you get some your cool car, you start from your business. Man, if you don't sing again, another person to come and get another opportunity from that same shit. How many American artists we know yesterday they release one song, they make them, they know they even come back again. They see me rolling. That's the only song I've heard from Camillionaire. He's fucking rich. Camillionaire is fucking rich. I don't know the rest of the songs is released though, but that was his biggest song. That was just a single. And somebody would tell me, say, oh no, but Ghana be different from America. When we do one structures right, we will get our system. There are people who want to come into Ghana right now and structure our system for us. Nobody for play with you. I beg we. That's why I talk. Nobody for play with we. I beg we. Me now they beg we. Nobody for play with we. Because the thing we they do, it go on. But man, if man no talk, I say, if I get money, we are not buying anything. We maybe at the same because I say, tax, go can't worry me. But man, in future, you go meet people, I shut up all the money you make out to Charlie. As I make the money, government say make I pay tax, so I give the money back to them because the way they tax me and things. So that boy, he hard, or life hard. Life no hard like that. Life be understanding. Life, it be wisdom. Life be knowledge. Life is teachings. We teach each other. We teach each other, bad man. We say they can't create format for the world inside where everybody see life like the way life they. Bad man, make I tell you post something. In this and the third, they talk my team every time. The people, where they decide say they go build schools and do education. Those people where they decide that thing in the AD century, BC century, them they don't go school because the idea they get say they go educate people. So let's build university, let's build this, let's do this. Those people they decide long time. Them they don't go school. Bad man. It's a format being created for us to follow. That's why we are following it. Big man. The people where they say let's decide and create schools, they do not go school because ask yourself, see, who advised them before they say they will start with something like school? Anybody where they there? Anybody where they there? Where you go if you come tell me say you know the person where he discover school. Make can tell me. It was a group of people that sat down and said, let's do business. Let's create this. Let's put this together. And it's happening. People are loving it. People are seeing it like, oh, wow, school. By the format to chop your money. How many people go to university where they come out with and they get a job? Bad man, when the systems are not structured well, those are the problems we are going to talk about in Africa. Because in America and those places, when they set those systems, let's build schools. They understood what school meant. So they built it. So they had people with minds, great minds. They say think alike. And that's why we are seeing some American schools. Who call American schools? It's structured. Africa, we copy things blindly too much. Makoko Kumate can be our minister. Makoko Kumate can be deputy minister for creative arts. If Makoko Kumate decide, say he step that inside, I swear everything. I'm going for independent candidate, my G's. Get ready. Get to youth of Ghana, rise up. Let's support this thing. Because this thing can be happening in front of one face and we no go talk. We need one person make it go there. Make one. Let me talk. Go decide. We to go decide. Bad man, you know be anything. You know be anything. But see, I'm saying this. I swear. You know how many university graduates they there? What did you do for job? Like I said, I go form independent party and look for graduates where they know they get job. We to go bad man, you don't know. See, me sometimes Ghana, they for not they play with me like that too. Cause see, nobody say disrespect, nobody say anything. But when we want stand for something, we they stand for them, we know they play with them. You understand me? Ghana music industry don't come play that foolish games with me. I won't lie to you, bad man. Makoko Kumate, deputy minister for creative arts. Charlie, yo, big up to Hama. You said it all, my nigga.